Okay, today on Chris's garage, and do the oil on my pickup. And, sorry for the close-up. This, we're gonna go after this 15, get the oil pan. Ooh, almost. Boom, baby! Right in the pan. Really can't because I don't have a... Actually, see that thing right in the middle? That's the oil filter that's coming off. Okay. Get this thing off there. Oh, that's on there. Okay. Won't lie. I don't know who the asshole was who put that on last, but it's tight. But eureka, it's loose. Got our new one, basic STP, new filter. Put just a little oil on that gasket. Make sure we've got a great seal. And now she goes back up. Okay, now time to get our drain plug back in. Make sure she's nice and snugged. Okay, now that we're back topside, time to fill this thing up with oil. You notice I was with a shirt, then without a shirt, now my shirt's back on. Light colored shirt, didn't plan that whatsoever. Didn't want to get oil on it, so sue me. Beautiful. We'll fill this guy up. She takes 6. Don't forget your cap. Last thing, as everyone's dad should have taught them, last thing you do, even if you buy your stuff from the auto store and they tell you it takes exactly 6 quarts, whatever it is, run your engine, get it circulating, shut her off, check it with a dipstick, make sure you're good to go. Whoa, it's a little loud. Oil change required? Not anymore. Return to eco mode? Sure. Okay, last thing that might be helpful, resetting your oil life. Go menu, go down, settings. We'll go vehicle maintenance, oil life, reset, and you're good to go.